So let's meet Pete and Lauren. Pete is a wind turbine technician and Lauren is a wind farm operations manager. Pete has been performing regular maintenance on the turbines and discovered an issue with a battery. Pete was unable to locate the serial number of the battery, but has provided Lauren the serial number of the turbine, the battery's parent asset. Lauren has already logged into the manufacturer's customer portal and started a conversation with the manufacturing concierge agent. The concierge agent uses natural language, so Lauren simply needs to describe the issue that she's experiencing. She lets the agent know that she is having a battery issue with one of the turbines and needs a list of the turbine's child assets. Lauren is able to quickly locate the battery and its serial number. Now that Lauren has located the serial number for the battery, she can request the details for this child asset because what she really wants to know is whether there is any type of warranty for the battery. Again, because Lauren has been authenticated, the agent is able to provide a complete set of details for this asset. One of the more powerful attributes of the manufacturing concierge agent is its ability to work across multiple data sources and systems. Here, we see it as bringing back information such as additional child assets, cases, related work orders, and most importantly for Lauren, warranty information. Lauren sees the warranty information, but she would like to confirm with the agent that the battery does in fact have a warranty. We can see that the agent does confirm that there's a warranty and also provides the effective dates and coverage details. This is good news, but Lauren knows from experience that oftentimes warranties contain exclusions and wonders if there are any that might apply. She remembers Pete telling her that the fluid levels in the battery were low, which she thought was odd since Pete is a top-notch technician and diligent about the preventative maintenance schedule. She decides to check with the agent. Beyond simply validating date fields, the manufacturing concierge has the ability to read, interpret, and apply policy documentation to the current interaction. Sure enough, there are warranty exclusions, and low fluid levels resulting from improper maintenance is one of them. Lauren had noticed that the battery was only a month old, so she challenges the agent on the warranty coverage. Here we see a key component of the Agent Force technology, the Atlas reasoning engine. The agent acknowledges Lauren's concern about the age of the battery and suggests that it would be reasonable to have a technician inspect the battery, asking Lauren if she would like to have a case opened. Lauren responds yes, that she would like to have a case created. The agent then uses the context from the entire conversation and interaction to open a case, including all of the relevant and necessary details. In just a matter of minutes, Lauren was able to interact with the manufacturer of her equipment to ensure that her revenue-generating assets are performing optimally. As always, thank you for your time, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us at osf.digital.